Hi, I'm Suzi. On this channel, my goal is to share with you sources that I follow to increase your awareness and knowledge about life so you may survive and strive. If you care about your own health and others, please subscribe to my channel and share. I will be creating videos on different health topics and talk to you in detail about them, such as food and teeth and so on. I'll start off by sharing with you my favorite drink and supplement that you can also buy through a link either in the description or in the comment section. So this is my favorite hot chocolate drink, and it's also healthy. It's Mojo. It's vegan, gluten-free, and has delicious health benefits, it says. There's more information in the back. I'll read some of it for you. Mojo is sweetened with low glycemic coconut palm sugar and infused with organic extracts of 6 medicinal mushrooms for an added antioxidant and immune boost. A delicious gourmet hot chocolate that dates back to the Incans. Directions: 1 heaping tablespoon per 8 ounce of your favorite liquid, milk, water, soy or nut milks. And the ingredients are here in the back. And so this is basically a healthy hot chocolate. If you're a fan of hot chocolate, it's super tasty and good. So right here I got about ½ cup hot water. This is how I drink mine. And then I open it and I take out about 1 teaspoon. That's how it looks like. About this much because it says tablespoon, but I'm using a teaspoon, so this is how much I use. And then I mix it in with just hot water for now. Mix it really good. And then I add some milk. So for a little bit extra flavor, I also add some coconut sugar, palm sugar, and all of this you can buy from the link below this video. I will put in the description section. Just a tiny bit, just to add more flavor to your hot Coco Mojo. Look how good this looks. Delicious. This tastes really good. I recommend for hot chocolate lovers to go ahead and buy it. It's also healthy, so why not? So my other favorite supplement from the store is clean Chlorella. So what it does is basically helps to detox bad food and help your overall health. One story with this that I have is when I used to work a 10-hour job at a warehouse before, I would have really bad chest pains. I would have really bad chest pains and heart pain every single morning because I was not used to waking up in the morning. And then I started drinking this every morning, And in a couple days, my chest pains went away, my heart pain went away, and I just felt so much better. It comes with a lot. This is how it looks like. For these ones, you take about 5. So I got too much here. I'm gonna put it back. And I'm gonna drink some right now, and it puts you also in an overall like good mood. And for me, I feel like it balances like everything in my body. I just feel better overall after drinking this. I hope me sharing this with you will help you in your life to enjoy life better. Thank you for watching. Bye. Please subscribe. I have so much more things I want to share with you. And take care. Bye.